Hi, my name is Miriam O'Leary and I'm the chair of the Dr. Ellie E. Rabiz Department of Otolaryngology, Head and Neck Surgery at Tufts Medical Center. I've been at Tufts for over 13 years now, and I'm really proud of our department and of our residency. We really offer our patients and our residents the full depth and breadth of what our specialty has to offer in terms of patient care. And we do that all in the setting of a small and close-knit collegial environment. We've got really good stability of our faculty. We have a really good culture that we all strive to maintain. All of our faculty are really engaged in teaching, and our residents are a highly motivated, really self-motivated group of folks who are just a joy to work with.
I like that it's a small program. We get pretty close to our attendings because of that, so I find it easy to, if I ever have a question or want some advice on something, it's easy enough to either text or go stop by our attending's office. Really feels like a family vibe here, and that also extends to other departments as well. We get to know the other surgery residents, and yeah, it's to spend a lot of our time together in kind of a close-knit environment.
My favorite part about our residency is the small size of our program and the community that it fosters. We have a wonderful relationship between our attendings and our residents. Everyone feels like friends here and advisors. It makes the dynamic wonderful in our clinics, in the operating room, and our attendings know us so well. As we go through our residency, they know every single one of our strengths and our weaknesses, and everyone here is very dedicated to helping us hone our skills and become the best otolaryngologists that we can be when we graduate.
One of the things that makes me excited to come into work every day is the really collegial atmosphere amongst the faculty, certainly within our department and really across Tufts Medical Center. This is a place that is known for people really working together, really always with the patient care at the forefront of their minds.
And one of the things that I really like about Tufts is just how sort of small and mentorship and apprenticeship based the training is and the philosophies are. And they're important bonds that last really for a long time. And many times I will see graduates and from 10 years ago, 5 years ago, and we still keep in touch and look out for each other and advocate for each other, and still ask each other questions and give each other advice. And I think that's one of the best parts of this program, is that relationship and that camaraderie extends far beyond residency training.
I think we have a really great residency here at Tufts, and I think one of the unique aspects is that there are multiple distinct sites that the residents get exposure to. Here at Tufts, they have a traditional academic setting with multiple subspecialists that they get to interact with. A similar experience at Rhode Island, and they get to spend time at Boston Children's Hospital as well as at the Brockton site, where they get to interact with otolaryngologists in general practice.
Boston's a fun city, always something going on. Very walkable too, which I wasn't expecting. Very dog friendly, but overall it's a great city. I think you can always find something if you want to, when you have time off to do something. There's always something to do. And then a lot of parks. I wasn't expecting that.
Boston, I think, has something for everybody. We've got spectator sports, we've got plenty of sports you can participate in, lots of outdoor activities within a short drive outside the city. And it's a very walkable city. It's not one that's overwhelming even to somebody who comes to visit for a weekend. So it's really a wonderful place with a rich history and lots of character.
We spend 5 years of our lives here, oftentimes far away from family and friends. Our attendings and fellow residents inspire and encourage us during times of challenge and joy. You will find that the people around you become your family, and we wish you luck in finding yours.